In today's episode, let's make some lemon juice as we also test if this kitchen appliance is worth your money. And this is just a portion of the lemons that I bought. I bought a whole gunia of lemons for about 30 shillings. I bought this for about 95 shillings in the supermarket. So that's roughly less than $1. And I'm here to test if this thing is worth your money. So I've divided my lemons, and for these ones that have very good skin, I'm going to make some lemon zest that we are going to use in another recipe. And for the rest, we are going to juice them. One trick you should know while you are making some lemon zest and some lemon juice: always zest first, then you can juice later. And always go for the yellow part, leaving out the white part, because the white part is very bitter. And this is what we get from one lemon. So from 5 lemons, this is the amount of zest that I've gotten, and you can see that it is oily, so this is the flavor. And remember, do not grate your white part. So I'm going to set this aside, then we'll continue. Then now let's get into the part where we get to juice our lemons. And if at all you've been keen on this channel, I showed you another way of how you can zest your lemon. I'll repeat, and you'll first start by rubbing your lemon like that. Then that will ensure that you get the most out of your lemons. And then you're going to need a fork, and you're going to press like that. And that's it. You do it until it is completely empty. So this is the amount of lemonade that I've managed to get, and let's discuss. So is this thing worth it? As you can see, fruit is left completely dry, so it's a good one for that. But then for the arm, it's a complete workout. So if I told you are a heavy juicer of the lemon, I wouldn't recommend you to go for this, but invest in something bigger. But if I told you are just a small user like I am, I would recommend. It's actually very cheap and it does the job. Let's meet in tomorrow's episode or the day after tomorrow as we prepare something better, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.